Is stress making you angry and grouchy? Stress relievers can help bring back calm and peace to your busy life. You don't have to put a lot of time or thought into stress relievers. If your stress is getting out of control and you need quick relief, try one of these tips. Get active. Almost any form of physical activity can act as a stress reliever. Even if you're not an athlete or you're out of shape, exercise can still be a good stress reliever. Physical activity can pump up your feel-good endorphins and other natural neurochemicals that boost your sense of well-being. Exercise also can refocus your mind on your body's movements. This refocus can improve your mood and help the day's irritations fade away. So go on a walk, take a jog, work in your garden, clean your house, bike, swim, weight train, vacuum, or do anything else that gets you active. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet is an important part of taking care of yourself. Aim to eat many fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid unhealthy habits. Some people may deal with stress with unhealthy habits. These may include drinking too much caffeine or alcohol, smoking, eating too much, or using illegal substances. These habits can harm your health and increase your stress levels. Meditate. During meditation, you focus your attention and quiet the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind and causing stress. Meditation can give you a sense of calm, peace, and balance that can help both your emotional well-being and your overall health. Meditation can empower us to enhance our well-being. You can practice guided meditation, guided imagery, mindfulness, visualization, and other forms of meditation anywhere, anytime. For example, you could meditate when you're out for a walk, riding the bus to work, or waiting at your healthcare provider's office. Try an app to show you how to do these exercises. And you can try deep breathing anywhere. Laugh more. A good sense of humor can't cure all ailments, but it can help you feel better, even if you have to force a fake laugh through your grumpiness. When you laugh, it lightens your mental load. It also causes positive physical changes in the body. Laughter fires up and then cools down your stress response. So read some jokes, tell some jokes, watch a comedy, or hang out with your funny friends, or give laughter yoga a try. Connect with others. When you're stressed and irritable, you may want to isolate yourself. Instead, reach out to family and friends and make social connections. Even one good friend who listens can make a difference. Social contact is a good stress reliever because it can offer distraction, give support, and help you put up with life's ups and downs. So take a coffee break with a friend, email a relative, or visit your place of worship. Try yoga. With its series of postures and breathing exercises, yoga is a popular stress reliever. Yoga brings together physical and mental disciplines that may help you reach peace of body and mind. Yoga can help you relax and ease stress and anxiety. Try yoga on your own or find a class. You can find classes in many areas. Hatha yoga, especially, is a good stress reliever because of its slower pace and easier movements. Get enough sleep. Stress can cause you to have trouble falling asleep. When you have too much to do and too much to think about, your sleep can suffer. But sleep is the time when your brain and body recharge. Most adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night.